Okay, good evening all. So today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is word processing with Google Docs. Word processing with Google Docs. Right. So that is our new topic for today. So what is word processing? So what do you mean by word processing? Word processing කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Yes? Anyone? No idea? Yes, it's like arranging words and related media in documents according to a layout. Right? So what is a layout? Layout means simply structure. Right? So if you are writing a letter, there's a different layout. If you are writing maybe invitation, there's a layout. If you are creating a document like a legal document, there's a layout. If you want to create a notice, there's a layout. So if you want to create a visiting card, there's a layout. Right? Likewise, you have different layouts which is to be used in different occasions. So please write the heading day 16. It is word processing with Google Docs. Word processing with Google Docs. Actually, this lesson is not there in your book, right? But why we are learning? Because this lesson is very important. You have word processing, but using MS Word. So Google Docs is it's available for your mobile phone and it's available everywhere and it's free. So that's why we are using Google Docs. Okay, advantages. So please write all these things, right? Advantages of using Google Docs. High availability and cross-platform. You can use in like mobile, you can use it in Linux, you can use it in Windows, or you can use it in Mac OS, anything. And it is free. That's why we are using that. Okay, please write down this word processing with Google Docs. That is the heading today. And after writing the heading, so what we are doing is arranging words and related media. Media means pictures, videos, animation, arts, drawings. So that can be added to MS Word. Sorry, not Word.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, these are.
Do we want to write this?
Yes, you want to write this. You need to write this. Right. I'll give you a template for today. So what you are going to do is you are going to edit that template. Right? So I'll share you the template. So don't use the same. Don't copy and paste the same. So I don't want that to happen. Don't copy and paste the same. But you can use kind of similar template or you can create your own template, but need to include all these things which I am going to give. Okay, finish writing or still doing? Finish or still writing?
Still writing.
Writing, right, okay.